Hi, welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer. I have a singing game for you today called Dogs Hide Bones. This is for students in grades K to 1 and also students in grade 2 because the concepts that are focused on in the song are so-mi-do and half note and individual singing. And these are concepts that are prepared in kindergarten and grade 1 and then made conscious, labeled, and then practiced in grade 2. So this singing game has great longevity. It also has a dual purpose because the singing game itself only uses one verse, but I've created 2 additional verses that go with it. So if you need a quick recital or school concert song for your littles to sing, all of a sudden they've really have learned the melodic part of the song well, and you just have to add 2 verses and off you go, and you have a very quick and easy song to add to a concert performance. And there are actions that go with each of the verses, so it makes it visually and melodically interesting for your audience and for your students to sing. The song itself is dogs hide bones underground, see them dig down, 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 down. Dogs hide bones underground, they are happy when they're found. So that's the singing game 1-verse version, and you can look in the comments below this video and find the full 3 verses if you wish to see what those are for lyrics. When I'm trying to do assessments of singing skills with my students, I'm listening for whether they are able to match a pitch or whether just singing in a head voice or whether they have not even discovered where that voice placement is. And so singing games such as Dogs Hide Bones gives me the chance to do a running checklist as they're playing the game. They think they're just having fun playing a game, but I'm getting some assessment done, and it's not anything stressful for them because they're just playing a game. The beauty of this song is that when I play it, I use 3 bones. I have a red bone, a blue bone, and a white bone. And so at the end of the song, we add the question, who found the bone? And we can then sing, who found the red bone? Who found the white bone? Who found the blue bone? And then I have 3 chances to hear 3 different singers. And so I get quicker checklist completions done. And it's also beneficial because the students have multiple chances to get a turn over several classes. When you have 1 response for every time you sing the song, you have to sing it a lot of times to get through 25 students, which is how large my classes are. And so the 3 at a time really helps alleviate the I didn't get a turn today kind of syndrome, and it means you don't have to sing the song quite so many times in a couple of different classes. I wrote Dogs Hide Bones to replace the singing game Doggy Doggy Where's Your Bone. In that singing game, the dog has the bone which is stolen from their home, and then at the end you say who stole the bone. And I just couldn't get past the whole internalization of, oh, somebody gets to steal the bone, I'm going to be the one who steals the bone, and I'm going to say I stole the bone, and it just didn't sit well with me. So I said, let's keep playing the game, but we'll do different lyrics, and that's how Dogs Hide Bones got to be composed. Dogs Hide Bones is one of 27 new original singing games that I have created, and I've put those into a 3-volume set of books. Volume 1 is for students in K to 1, ages 5 to 7. Volume 2 is for grades 2 to 3, ages 7 to 9. And Volume 3 is grades 4 to 5, ages 9 to 11. My 3 volumes of new singing games for young singers is available at donnaandandy.com. There are ebook versions available as well as printed copies, and you can buy the books individually or as a 3-book set, and they are also available as print books from Amazon. I spent the afternoon with my granddaughter Matilda, and we played the singing game Dogs Hide Bones, and I'm going to flip from this tutorial video for you to let you see the game in action, and you will see how that works when we play Dogs Hide Bones. We are going to show you how to play the singing game Dogs Hide Bones. Right, Matilda knows this one. We're going to pretend she doesn't know the song, and this is how I would introduce it at the beginning. We would sing it line by line. I would sing, students would echo, so we're going to show you how that works. So I will sing and then you're going to be my echo.
Yes.
Dogs hide bones underground.
Dogs hide bones underground.
See them dig down, 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 down.
See them dig down, 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 down.
Dogs hide bones underground.
Dogs hide bones underground.
They are happy when they're found.
They are happy when they're found.
That's the only part of the song we will use as the singing game. There are 2 other verses if you choose to do this song as just a so-me-do song with 3 verses. Now, here we are in our classroom. We have some twins here.
We have twins.
Twins, and we have White Bear, Red Bear, and Purple Dinosaur, and Matilda and me. And when we play this game, we need one person in the middle to be a guesser. Who should be the guesser today?
I want to be the guesser.
Okay.
I want to be the guesser, though.
Well, let's rock, paper, scissors, and see. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh! This twin is going to get a chance to be in the middle. So they're in the middle, and they're the guesser. And this one will just stay out here and be a person in the class for this time. All right. And I think we're going to say, Matilda, will you be the person who delivers the bone?
Yes, I will.
Yes, you will. She's going to walk around the outside of the circle. She's going to deliver the bones, one bone behind each different student she picks, as we sing. Dogs hide bones underground. See them dig down, 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 down. Dogs hide bones underground. They are happy when they're found. That will work there, that will work. And then she's back in her spot. And then with eyes still closed, we will sing, Who has the white bone?
Who has the white bone?
And the students may echo that or sing with the teacher. You can decide that at the beginning of the game. And then this mystery white bone person.
I have the white. No. I have the white bone.
Okay. Who has the red bone?
I have the red bone.
Who has the blue bone?
I have the blue bone.
Very good. And then the guesser opens their eyes and they say, who were those things? He says, the white bone person was the dinosaur. Yes! Very good. You got that one right. The blue bone is
my brother.
My brother, the twin. Yes, that one is right. And I think the red bone is a red bear. No. Close your eyes again, guesser, and we will give another try. So, who has the red bone?
I have the red bone.
They open their eyes again. Up.
British.
It's white bear. Yes, that is the correct guess. Then the 3 bones need to be given back to somebody to drop them. There are 2 ways to do this. I have always played this where whoever had the white bone gets all 3 and they go and deliver the bones. But if you want to have more turns, quicker for more students, each person with the bone can go all at the same time and deliver those while you sing the verse. And Matilda, would you stand in the middle?
Yes. I will have to crouch.
You have to crouch. The guesser is going to choose the new guesser by spinning, holding their finger out with their pointer finger extended.
My finger to you.
Mm-hmm.
You.
And then you're going to spin, and we will count. 1, 2, 3. Who do you see? And she says, I see red bear. That's who gets to be it. Now, if Matilda spins and the pointer finger is kind of between 2 people, then that person gets to pick who they think is closest to the pointer finger. So there is some element of choosing for the person in the middle, but it does eliminate Matilda having to decide between her best friend Red Bear and her best friend Dinosaur and her best friends the twins, because that's a hard choice sometimes. So that makes it very efficient. So that is the end of our singing game demonstration of Dogs Hide Bones from New Singing Games for Young Singers. It's in Volume 1 and in Volume 2, and we'll come back another day and do some other singing games for you. But in the meantime, have a great day making music, and make music a great part of your day.